Taliyo Dr. Joel Umayo ase namba enoti sano ibere isano nemo kianda ibere inya isano gosomurikere email gochia info@tenaciousherbal.co.ke Wego na buku batalira asensemo ya kisi jogo ase barai kugenda Nyamira enyumba ya uraiti Tenacious Herbal Center ububweni uregene Ndizi TV Ubwansu bw'omuguzi.
Mono mwanju muriendo sia soberte na ndejinga kiavento kwari na sumuro belio yovon to itwa kwanda siasa na magendro botambe karori tukirachi matate to itwa kwanda siasa na magendro nyirona matukuna makadiri tuja sobo jorio bonne bu mwako yogiga barai a ni gobeso krio chukurigi biro a imena isko yagusi eriko chukokonya abamenyi be bense me yubuna rero nto bwato magania si studio ochuko kwana nkero kya kuboli ngero kya korigia na ande ngakie bangete ngakiro bereti ngakiaro je siasa gendrete ngakiaro chama gendro ngikire magendro magan siasa kusin siasa embe toje siasa barayo chorwa baya magendro na cha sorongura usi yono njingwera libageria bene ko kwali ni nyaro ko bamuna nje ko ikomweri nyora na bakwenda kutubwatia asensa media mitandao Facebook tonyora Ndizi TV News baya asensa media YouTube na bako tonyora Ndizi TV News otari kweba ko tweet @Ndizi TV News nyora na bako to mekerengel kya gwetira senambe yala seskini ya urabe karamagania ko chukwerera sereningo yona bako to mali bolia gwetira asenamba yala seskini ya urabe ndonyara ko boli aralia robereti ko chukora asense yao to debia kuligie kerogo ka stand by na kanya kuli kalibo liao ka ko tebiningo ndo ya kulibwa to ka kocha ase studio na kwali ne na ile bagelia bene ko kwali gani obena intwe ko ikomwe sarie biro bya chire tigan kwali gani mwanju muriri na ndingali gani omogani mita studio nyara wako menyekani ko cha story ereningo ndeto mumanye karuto kusuka ko chibosio karibu sana mheshimiwa kuna manyu mwanju muriri na ayeningo ene na liara manyengo thori ne ase studio
Nchesa malita ngoro ku job Mosorori tatakuruka ukanyankea kurugali Nyabite Kiobegi Nyamache Masige East Bobasi constituency
Mbe bana mheshimiwa wana bokora tebe familia yao na bonyore familia one ile kuligereti pasani bali bakuligereti ora tutebi na ona bana bokora ba recognize yakeo
nche I'm married mbwata bana and my wife akurukuchatiwa Mosorori she's from Botswana na abana barano musipati naro
mbuye mono na bokora na mo job ukan hajete school ga yaso mete go chago je kero murai kra kuli ekerugo na boko nyona hajete school na bokora na ki nga yaso meta nga iwa jagete primary osuto je school mheshimiwa
school na chete na school yana na chagrete school ko St Paul's regal Nairobi Mbotela nga changa some school ko Kicherio akaona ringetiero then ngana kora egasi Twiga Chemicals and then I started going to school when I was still working at Twiga kaenda Kenya Polytechnic ngakora kuruoro ngamya kuroro kaenda ngachokora egasi company kurunga Kupa Tanzania from Kupa Tanzania I went I did egasi company kurunga Clover Botswana and then since 2010 I'm on my own I'm running my own factory I'm based in Botswana yes
mbesa no mwanju muri ko iguro thore nere lero ni otori na job auka korujisa majiri cha Masige East kerobono to kwana nera mangana siasa akego ningani bona bora ntake to tebi mwanju muri linkiro kyokorigi na liara abagwe tumayana mugabana to nere mu MC to nere o mo center to nere gose no mugabana to nere ara abagwe kwanza tumakuborania maswali ande mheshimiwa
nchekero wanko boli ne kiyobo MC ko Masige East on na Kenya ticket ase konye Davidson wa onuswale oyo chete ko boli bona iga obo MP on an ODM ticket
Mbia mono mwajumuri bono gaite kwa manyiri ngotorna ra studio bono kanya kuri kali boli liao go cha studio ekertore na chobo hauka oyo kuri keru kyo bwa mzie ase wodi ya Masige East Masige East ni gotoka aria se ebunge ya Bobasi igobono na ebodi boli agwetera sinambira siskini yawe karto na job auka oyo kuriga ko Mca Masige ya Masige East karto nera se studio gobono mwachumuri kwamanyire mwishime gato kugenda gustura chakira umwaka ose umurayo gatatu bwensi itu ya Kenya Emilio Maikibaki ni garaire nande trojo mubero ayo ikirasa magacho yebunge ekaro murayo bwensi ur Kenya tago chikora aba Kenya kurigerio mubero ingakiora kwane osinga kyokonyora Kibaki ni abo mwana siasa mokongu asenzi itu ya Kenya wega kabo murayo bwensi
Kibaki ngomonyora karona kinetende gosoma St Paul's na ringe vice president and he was a very quiet man engakia chitakabo bogambi. I think our economy grew with 3 digits. Now it was the introduction of this border business. Ito Karabonega is one person who was very good in whatever he did. Una economist, we did well during his time. I can say, and then is the genesis of the border, and the economy has not recovered ever since he left the office. My condolences to the family and the friends and the entire country. Yeah.
Bono mna no baraimo ko ligibiro go semara bera serida shibakego ngaki ntumiro etia mangana Kibaki ngaki ogwa piro cha sabara ibande ababare asebiro aho gosena bado baje goswa asebiro aho asoko imiro eti gose asoko bwati chimbaratero cyanya gusira Mwai
Kibaki came up ngaki there was very little corruption yarenge on and again he was a very humble man. He was not authoritative, I can say. And we can emulate him in so many things, but mostly about the economy of the country. And Mwai Kibaki was actually an administrator, he was not a politician. That's why we managed to
bono tuara kuranse meyo ya Kibaki mobero yikirasa magajo yebunge kero murai bwense ukinyata awjikora aba Kenya ko riyo mobero ina kuma maskani yo moyo amate munana sogato mwishimiwa alituko ulia Jumamosi asensi itu ya Kenya agara watu kutuno mwasiri wegisemi professor Juju Magoa matemo ayoroje kara sogate ngakyunya roje asogate na bana baitu ngakibakorete nabakonya none kuranse meri ya Masige East gosonyo na bana bana kwanya reko konya samatem asa masomo ngakyura kwandikoro matemo ya sogate lituko ya Jumamosi
amatemo ya first of all I salute school yankari korkuriamba secondary. They did so well. Mbabu atabana bange sana baitete. In general, the performance here bana bagusi they did so well. I can relate this to 1994. Na bana bakote ya sana in our summer term. What I can say is ababali bali bana babatanya to kwenda university. Please can you try move ka bana manage technical schools instead of kuiro mwana kuiro ka wate C plane or C minus and during our times actually most people were admitted kwa uchigasi na bantu bari teach technical schools. So I encourage abana batanya ta max yo kwenda university baba reach technical schools and then lakini mwana kara anje koirora still na bere konyale kana agenda koirora achiko korabia but parents wali bakwira abana let us take our kids but what you call technical courses, tell administrative courses. Esengencho karokole technical course, you will come back and get a job, and other than kokore what you call an administrative course.
Yeah. Bon tutorai ko ningi chiko board nangi ya grato ja ko giro kya Masige East. Kora tuketura kwa meta karto kwa na siasa ingongo kwa na magendro ikabor ngakiokorate ngakiokorate ya magendro ase county ya Kisii arafu umaya kwenda sensemeri ya Masige East ya magendro na ro gustara korwa umashimiwa.
I can say in general Kisii, the infrastructures, most of them chire halfway done. Naona tu achirege para tuacha, yaringe para mbesana. Basically infrastructure they are very poor in Kisii and the problem the worst negen tokorkanga drainage system. Drainage system ya ama achirege usi igere mbesana. That's why kwanda chipara chinyinge chi omokire and we really need to do something about our infrastructure in Kisii in general. Because I cannot know so much what is happening with the budget and the likes of the county, but from the look of things, our infrastructures are halfway done, most of them.
Karo kwenda se bungero ya ebone kwodi yao ya Masige East ero kyo ugoye kwandra magendera koriru ostara koru mushimi
amagendera koru Masige East ni chiparana tebe chiroro lakini rende chipare chiganchi akoretu but they were not done up to standard. I think contractors via to chipara chiri they were substandard because chipara chinyinge cha omokira nande they are not doing nchiringia chipara chinyinge lakini chabeta compacted it's on like maybe whoever okolete compartment you or chipara icho they did not do it up to standard yeah
ingie kwiriro ja magenda atari okorekana asoro gongoro ituro gusibuye kera bagara ingo chauru bari twasemerena abaraya bakogenda nigo bagochikotoretera magendro ingie kwirira korengana ni birengere byao magenda atari okorekana since itu ya Kenya buya.
What I can say, we lack what we call public participation. Public participation is saying na nyine se budget egosomo every quarter of the budget. Abara ibaito mbata kiregoje saba na inchi ababoling what do you want to be done in the next financial year. They don't do public participation. So abara ibago chabakora projects bara balengereti. Lakini omwana inchi kalengethi about the option now. So they should consult more, they should do public participation so that we can be on the same boat twins. Yeah.
Igobono abaraina baba usina abananchi barababe asamagendo.
But I think what I was saying, it's only the system. There's no public participation, so they moved on the way it is.
Bono, ungitura kororoje mweshimigo ndatunyara to kuimukia magendera se orogongo rwausi no ena se award yao ya Masige East.
One, we need to elect Babaraiba what the vision. Kabere, the co-elect Babaraiba batali corrupt. And gatato, we should look at individuals, not the party. Kadoto chiwaka rabanda chikora to akara monto bune individual atali party. Nalitora nyaleko konyana.
Mbia sana mweshimiwe karo turana se studio bono mwanjumuri karo to endete kukwano mweshimiwe kana hoti ni tuna job auka oyuguri karo kyobwe mzie kurwa se ward ya Masige East yere sense meri ya base karekera se studio kana doji kukwanda mangana mono doji kukwanda mangana ye ward karo kukwanda mangana ye ward on doji kukwanda mangana ye ward ya Masige East ase arengete sasa kuri karo kurwa sense meyo wa mweshimiwe nkikiagara to kagenda kuri karo kyobwe mzie nkigia ko motivated osengi yagarade ogadena bono tigori kero kyo bamzie ase ward ya Masige East.
Myself, I'm an industrialist and I've been away from the country for many years. Like in Irenda, I'm always there in the sense that I participate in the community affairs. Bono naro chuno nusochiri koliyo MP kara there is a vacancy and again to kindia kapera I was motivated singing chava ntabange naro abantu baite una bamenyete I want to uplift their way of living and experience na nyole koru wherever I've been to so many countries that I watch and then we to bwatrane to kolega sirengia
igo nusara ko bataenda koligi obo MP ngwar ko rigero ko MC mweshimi
not really onuso for one moko yonale kwanza my brother yonuso nyometa my sister yonkobwati and I've been wanting to come and help our people. Onusala ko ligiale ko batali still I was coming to battle it out. Yeah.
Ono montara te arende ne sali onusa so gete nero koletete erinde ochigo kole ototebe no musina barate na bono wateru nusungwa na robo atena ikono nuso koletete yoni gore project yonuso usina ibye komyene wesoget bonda ke tokwa ne kusika bisa umugusi ore kali ore masigari ayu kabisa ni meta masigara mbasomete ngukwa na bari ababasi meta basomete kukwa pare ke sungra kigora kwa ne kusi umeshimiwa para nyara bakumanya kabisa ndio kwa na industrialization meta na bakonya muntu na rutama etigoro ya mangana industry de kikora muteke usi
as wenge onuso jetini project yaonde na ande for sure onuso ntwanya gukwana na erante abinga nchocho koliye karogeke nche na aligereti ngacha mnankora akirunde simi abantu bantena nchoto bwatsi kanisomo changwa isoko nera etagete korosigwa tutaete bokonya gitali ganyoranga abantu beto mba gwatokukania konene ngabaterende tingo chamba wa cliche nkenkabu toba moto mai gwaterana so nchetini project yonde I'm just on my own and no has never told me ko nche kubuli karuge singa nchachire kubuli obempe no nche bi kana chete nga decide go na teganchi koli obogambi
ingi bora gro ngi wajore te koli obo mca sense me yikiara kwatano monto mai te binte binge ngi tajire te koli no ni kero kyobo mpinae erina muchikumnyakani nonuso
nari konyara maite in politics we have to have a basis foundation. I felt for now I can represent the word machago koliye karugo ubasi in future ngwanye gutaka usanya abananchi bagonte binga bono you can move on lakini for now I'm just based igore siasa ya ward ya Masige East.
Bona ningo buri mheshimiwa bona kero ntuta tukwanro no sobono lakini no sobono tigire kero kibo jimi kero kibo tigo tigire kero kibo MC kero kigo ochiro bo MB kona bokenga na ondeta yororo inki dora tebe go singa ki ora tebe ono so takore tirende kero munda ochikori bo MB ko machikoro kana okorire imechando yonsi yarenge Masige East bono osukiro go chigoro na korite mechando ke bono go chikoro jere ase ward yeyo no satara ko
Masige East we have ntobwa challenges nyingi sana. For example unabono chibasari abantu bararo batanya lete they were not given uniformly. Chiparancho ro chinde chitaro siri. One thing I'll come which kugolia abananchi ngibatete bakolru I'll engage abananchi in what we call public participation fully. Pante yiki batete bakoleru bakolere. Inero nkageretera erabe driving force yane. Yeah.
Bona kara borituko fieko ya usik gende ya okuriginererie yani ngudra kiama kyo kuriye kero to kuriye nsemeli ya basi mbari ko chori kiama eba ko choro monde kero kurigirerie kero ko analysis ya nsem ya basi na ko nyoro modiem independent BDB Kenya Social Congress monta chori kuro nsemeli ya basi aye kiama kyongerkie
kiama kyane na Kenya na ande abantu kuriye biro ko na Kenya in Kisi etore 12 ndwate Moindi Elijah Aaron Koina, James Sarani, Ben, Job Gekonde, Peter Virundu, Ibrahim Moranga, Job Mochache, Kefa Sawe, myself, Sawo Moke, and David Ondali.
Humbari bako diwetera se kiama kia na Kenya, ase county tu ya Kisi, kurigi biro
awa. Echi aspiring MCS wande once.
Nge ko garuma nyeta mangana ya bono ye patimono o ko kare official ye pat.
I'm the acting organizing secretary in that party in our area here. Bono mbache bachole then if need being kogendra na bonko gendra but currently I'm the acting organizing secretary. Yes.
Bono akego bono nande kwa dire kiama gya na yore acting general secretary ga Sorongorosi. Kona to tebingo kiama kingirete melibune bya mapinde asorongorosi nande ngiura kore kiama kinyarage ko tuara jingrose Orongorosi.
Ndochito tuare National Congress very soon. Alafu ndochota we direction korwese national office yaito tumago chago chato karansense una community then tumakora where how far we can reach ese gusiengema
patirida yekiameke ngel nolio mushim
mata karwa
ento arana mata karwa na dakerena ngumu gera more kabisa anyaraga koba running mate ya Raila Odinga ngakibirangeli ya obibwate totaraikana se merobiri ward
asema ngana national politics. I don't want to comment so much lakini Martha she has a chance which is about 70% and she can perform na ba konyara kolega si over deputy. She's an iron lady. She's well focused and she's well she's good. Yeah.
Bona karo kwanda Masige East kero to kwa Masige East ni to kwanda FG ebinyoro biralia ketoro kwanda basi toro kwanda chiwoda kinbone kero to kwanda Masige East education njira ali ebinyoro mbira biza application ngakwa tadira saya akwaro rimechando y'abantu babwata ali kwa tunansaba siri kandi gwetire Masige East yonse kwanye ko kwa rimechando abantu bamasige babwata
Masige na nyitalire. And I've gone from Nachirichi polling station Chionsi, Nachiri Vinyoro Bionsi, sub-location, I'm in touch with sub-chief, Chionsi Chamasige, they're about 82, and then Tobuga Tab and Tobuga polling station, Nakira Chinyomba, Tobuga Chinyomba Masige, Una Okerenda, Masisi, Bonsina, and I'm in touch with them, and Nkokonya Tolivengal Torres say how far we can reach a word ingima. Yeah.
Engigera to kachore kiameke na Kenya, angigera to kachore kwa chore sari kitabwata abantu gose kwaroje na idea kibwate nabagiko konya gocho konya na abantu ba Masige East.
Na Kenya is a national party and like any other party like ODM. Ononche I thought manifesto yabo na nyasomete nkaranga rende na bebu enerete. Na kina cherete kiameke na.
Nomination nja kore to ye kiameke.
Mbranaro tagata kuboli korona Kenya but he pulled out about my task nyetunga tawo konyara ne Titanic akarwara agopja tena tigati ewa
igo korega watena niga oboete inkimotari kwanjira agende go semwa mu independent kera ngwanda ine general secretary organizing acting igo kwa emwa mu independent ya karana ya ga secretary ka organizing kara ali tingweta timor
No, there was no intimidation. Regenta korete, he came to me and they were ending singing in job bunanko woliole, lochenga you stand a higher chance than me. Agatena again Reno Alicambia and actually Bomega. We are working together.
Ponegro organizing secretary sejinse mochinde to tebe nonye moindi ngorigiare kirokuru nyalibali masaba abande ngorigibale kurubiro nomination yaronja koruye patieri yerende elikoro ki democracy ase patieye na kwa abantu ba amabaga yokurwanire biro
Nchenda kwa ndego ya Masige East Ward ase chi ward chinde ne chi constituency. I can timbu atia ina yarokwana because I was not part of the other agenda chechi ward chinde ne chi constituency.
Lakini garura organizing secretary gore organizing secretary ya Masige East yok.
No, I'm an acting organizing secretary with Kianak
Kisi County.
Yes, and Moindi is the acting chairman. Elijah Moindi. So mtochite karanse will go to head office tuchitoka enda tota what to do. Yes.
Lakini na matuko tare di mheshimiwa arabono tutikete matuke mia yemo na tano mbuja sopo chole won.
Lakini inyorang officially IBC teraru go ahead one we are being guided by IBC. Events chigo bugati parliament ndio chakobunwa and ndio campaign yocha ko officially. So we have to abide by the law and we have to follow the IBC regulations. Achitokanyete.
Bono job au karole ga mheshimiwa karole ga studio ya Ndizi TV inki kerikuwa korera sense media Masige East umuntu uri mwake kurara tena etese kwa job mere meye ya kuri mwe mere mokori actually mere meye job akuri na baranyarika akora buye because none kuri mwari makuri kwa sikenyoro abantu batango te abade na bagokonya inkende ke gwa korera sense media Masige East abantu baratwara boremu asore na basi bakwano chiko bakonya
Masige East na kole binte binge kemo kiao na arosiri chin soko isanemo 6 Springs na gode chin from chitim komina ibere full kit chonsi na gode chin goko 400 ngaba youth na alikuwa beka batana kurukere polling station na konyere abana chintakana abana 20 kubaka 100 fees njebuna job na changere chikansa 16 churches over 300,000 na bambarambara bagwa kama tobol na bagulira masakara there are about 20 groups nechi saluni chiro na baire machine choko rosi tuki na bambarambara bande ngete chi machine chebinyonse yes
igobono ngise kwenda mbaka sabu Masige East ninyore bindebi gose kwa baita yatikwa chikubwati gose ba oneti gose mpari byombe mbigende
my disappointment only was on the chickens. Chingoko na yate youths they really disappointed me that
abanyanyete
abaliete bagalia magene chingoko lakini rende there are few who did well but that is the only project I can say didn't do well because I think they lacked what we call mentors. They were no mentors lakini rende we are trying to guide them balibaro bakabata aliete chingoke echo mbaga ndrete mbia bagokora lakini ibinte byonse you can go na one tournament yanengo chakera on the first Henry Moteko nere uchagocha kwenye igora and the coordinator is Akoroku Olina was used to play for Arambe our national team and we schooled together at Iterio so tournament yaneko chageretare moja mutinyo gatano and they will be playing on full kit inform yaneli kiringa donated by Job Auka chitimu echions
inge kogera okoreta mangana yo mupira boni ge kerto konda sikura ngikonyo tari koretere mupira iyo indo yore tournament asa matuka magega o promote abasai
chi tournament konya nchike ndrete
echia auka
echia etalichiane for other opponents babegete chi tournament kona nyete bakole macha goche yane
inge tari ko batanganira ikiara bono na umra tangi ko batanganete tangana ulu ko kanyete ikiamo na mtu nabara tani kwaro kisiasa na libono utagete ko be kaji tournament
not really again to kiagerete esengi njonga my programs were tight nkaranga lende tiga I've got a calendar for my programs one ese calendar yana adretening a tournament chake mutinyo gatano so I have a calendar which is guiding me in everything that I do
mbare baraba nyanjo kimbara ro abana kwa tebiri mupira abana baro chipa talent jinde para unga yuba begete umeshimiwa bose na baro baja batengera aba kwa mupira tu
what I can say a county has failed in sports because it means an area of sports they are not nurturing talent. I played table tennis up to the national levels during my times. I also did taekwondo since I was in Form 1 and I not think again ngate work table tennis after na chete na ruite school but rende what is there is no nurturing of talent So that is what we are lacking, and we need the Minister of Sports to come up and nurture talent. We have even Chia Academy, Chia Vana, Mupira. Genitiro Nasomete. Itiro, used to play football. Ngakelia went to Motego, Yavanyandro during Shabana when it was doing so well. Babo Michael Koth, Babo Jerry Kanuntruru, Babo, all those guys we schooled together. We need a program, say county government, of nurturing talent. And most likely tutakereko igora Chia Academy, because if you look at our national heroes, Kuna Motego, he was somewhere else. He was brought back the other day. We need to nurture talent. We need to.
Lakini bono whatever na nono mugwasiri bwa mangana jiko sorta koreti bia. No Motego na ire miremo, wate uja kugure tournament yao. Motegere no mosani wale. Barabunga kibasu ba bigeno na serikali ibanye konye usiba babe kiproposo ende ekonye abanta ba ko be corona baroba kira.
I cannot comment so much on the account in sports, but in general what I can say is the mantle stops at the Minister of Sports. I've never seen a tournament. I've never seen anything from the county. I've never seen anything totally. Yeah.
Wanto tebe na gwachori kwa bomu MCA bwe Masige East beororero wa bishiru wa bekiru gutu kwa chakiru ekwe nkigo chikokera sports ye mukikera turuchi kwa ubo wasiri bwa mangande chikoso.
That sports will come as a second option. My area mostly in Janautaina, I'm an industrialist. I really want to go feature manganech industry. No, I'm an expert in that. Yeah.
Gobono kwanya bono riska umete yakarura mo Kenya de bwenzi na bogo tomano ne pro na bogo tombe proposal osibira ngere ndi pio kokonye county ina kibaranya ku improve no na mangana ye factory industry kwanya kokora gente kyo kuchia se county mweshimio
nimbwate a small project na kolete Masige East tokoroka for water harvesting embure sine nyingi sana but buna gaiga gusi wakande hotel chine kwanyora match tayo konywa lakini mbure gotugusi mbure yego tuyatri Mca Masige kagenda nyanja. I've done a small project in my ward. I'm harvesting 10,000 liters of water. It's a family gete and that family mbanya gochiro chegese twabegete chitangecho twabegete chirijiga macha so etangime tokabeka what you call a water guard for treatment. Banya gochiroje is one of the project that I want us to do in Kisi. Dotakereko nyumacha tap korugusi. We need to harvest our own water because in Kisi we don't have industries, so our air is not polluted. Iga mache mbura is very clean. Tanga mache munora aya Nairobi change industry. So we need to harvest water. I've done that pilot program. Nero ronkoraniere. There are so many other things in natural.
Ingwanda inangwaro se dia banda maje igwaro se vitajo 6 mano se 6 vitaje bi gwaro se di ko pesi abantu barari maskisi kiro monta kanyora maje se asinare o egemete kura dora dore klansim asinare o egemete onete dora ndaso mutumo como kego to kuirana ma konte biayu andonde ina mbiri bio purane tiko chiko kora sense meyo ya Masige East mwajumurire igotore na chopo auka oyo kori kero kyo ba MCA ase wodi ya Masige East yego toka sebunge ya wasi na otorine regenda gutuma liboli ya uliro akani komoboli ekarandete kwereserana ngiya ujokorera abantu bali ba East ba Masige East ekaroba amachorire gusba mwiriri baga koba umwe MCA bwenseme yugo tosuka nguri natore asentu ndende ya kabere karatori gitiko chikokoro murobiri yo bwa amangana siasa na magendera.
Ndizi TV ubwansu bw'omugusi umurigiriria bwa television ya Ndizi TV nigo tugugwakira mbia muno asuko genderera guturigiriria butambe bono TV ya unambeyemo yumuno bweke gusi nige gokuburia kujiakire kura asichia awards cha Communication Authority kuza awards umwaka w'ikirwibere nemero ngebere na ibere rike SMS kerieta kuza na kuyituma guchia senamba eyemo isano nemo enoti eyemo urike county okurwa Kisi Gusenyamira na boigo county ndeyonsi asogo tonyora kurwa rika Ndizi TV bune television bwanchete ase kategoria free to air television station Ndizi TV ubwansu ubwomugusi niko tugendrete kogendebirengo byigoromono. Wima Electricals and Electronics nabaonia bebinto byoko igo kistima na electronics cyo gutumika nyumba buna chi TV set chi decoder chi hoover chi birika cyuko belia mache DVD players chi machine cyuko gingira ebirobu byestima bichi ina ao power extensions, showers, consumer units, solar panels, inverters, industrial sockets, switch boxes, cooker sockets, circuit breakers, chibasi chokobasiri chianga, chi insulator switches, chi tester chistima, chi meter boxes, nebinde binge. Nigobare imeyomo chokisi, ase nyumba ya Guzi Plaza, a room number G2. Naboko bakiresimi ase namba enoti isano na ibere eyemo isano enoti marakabere kianda isano na isato ibere isano na ibere gose enoti isano na ibere eyemo isano na isato isano nemo enoti isano na ibere inye isano nemo ibere. Wima Electricals and Electronics, the best electricals in town. Soa asumutandao ensemo ya YouTube ulikirieta Ndizi TV News abono konyora chibicha siabaria baito bemerubrio ao voigo tonyore as Facebook buna Ndizi TV News aigano Ndizi TV News obwansu vomugusi. New Brighton Apartments neji nyumba chokomenya ichuchiaga chira sinchira yekerero kigima nigo chibwate chi 1 bedroom na voigo chi 2 bedroom imejichi nyumba icho nigo chiaga chirebuya ase chichikuni chaye chibwate chikapat amacha yongusire gwikase chisingi chabo chi balcony ichuchire asukunyerembeo ekeruligireti getunwa kiamanga chinyumba chokorara ugose chi bedrooms nigo chiakirera nkinywerete chingare nabo igo chibekire chi wardrobes chicho ne chibabu chugwesibiria nigo chibekire chi tiles na kubeko bochinu bwigoro kigima ase chinyumba ichuchire nigestimera roro chinga kichonsi amacheni gangusire na kubiko asikitangi ayatari ko eranga kijinde chonsi uburende ni gububikire chinse 29 na buigo ni yebwate wifi iyutari bwakanira chinse 29 ni gabwate libagari nene asura nyare gupaki gari yao chinyombecho nigo chire ase highway ya Kisumu busio bwichiru ya embassy ubugatagati bwichiru ya Nyamataro na Nyakoe na bugwa Kisime ase namba inoti isano na ibere isano ibere yemo ibere isano na isano na ibere gose plus 161 224 512 24 New Brighton Apartments chinyumba chekerero asoko menyekerero. Omurigereria bwe television ya Ndizi TV vono na bukura yubunchoria bwao ase television ya Ndizi TV chinga kichindi chonsi eliobwekere abarigereria kurochi county sana na ibire echuchira sorogo nkorwa Nyanza na boigo Rift Valley akisimi ase namba enoti isano na ibire inya isato isano nemo ibire isato isano na ibire eyemo elioto gwekere gose otutarire ase chiabisi chito echuchira ase nyumba ya Brighton Apartment ejire busio bwechiro ya embassy ekeroko gende Nyakoe. Ndizi TV obwansu bwomugusi company.
Bemano manjumure karonda ta kubwati moroberio ye ase moroberio to enda to kwanda mangana siasa na magendro siritko liare karoto na job hauka yuko liye kero kyobo mzie koro ase wodiri ya Masike East ebunge ya basika to enda to kwanda aralia lenge to jugo kore karajo rukoba umubunge bwe wodi yo umwe bwe wodi yo korende tiganda wikia sensameri ya parliament karumo berebo murayo gatatu bwense ya Kenya Emilio Kibaki onyare ko ikiwa sensemeyo karabarai aho baikira sensemeyo bachikurirya omubere bonyagosira na kumwa masikania yo mweli nyirana oinigale nkumura yugatata sense yaitu ya Kenya Emilio Mwai Kibaki oyaba Kenya bange banyari bagotogi asokoleta munjiriria mange asi ukukini uchumi yense yaitu ya Kenya na koleta munjiriria mange nona sekta yejisemia sekta ya mangana transport tunyirana nerorete no nichibigibigi sense yaitu ya Kenya wego no nekero mweshimiwa ikagega na nyaraga komotogi Kibaki Autebuna Kibaki ni garede amangana manga sense yaitu ya Kenya nande nigobona ba Kenya bakura wanumra ibwensuru Kenyatta gochikurigerio mubere onyagosira de Emilio Mwai Kibaki ekero mubere yikire ase ebunge ya itenene ya samaga cha parliament samaga jo yebunge aseritko liarega barana bange bawojuika sense me yekero bakura nomra ibwense uru Kenyatta amona first lady Margaret Kenyatta kero bawochikurigerio mubere ina komwa maskani iyo mwelio ase ritko liarega mubere yu nigochikoba matuko atatu asamaga jo yebunge karaba Kenya bawachikonyora riba gakonyorigereria na komwa maskani ayo mweli umwasiri bobuleni weme Dr. Fred Matiangi oyokora ekamati use committee eri ekorigereria ekorigereria merobelio ya matanga yokomwenia nyagosira Emilio Mwai Kibaki nigatabuna matanga aya nigajokorekana lituko lya Jumamosi halia sense mo ya otaya ekaro lituko lya ichumarikare lya all day ase abakenya bonsi bayirudibaga lielde nako mulera Mwai Kibaki twetwerane ase interview yiteka tukuru asamaga jo parliament we kase studio ya Ndizi nitukwirana ndekaro turina job auka kara okwanda mangana Masige East wakera kulikero kyo bwa Siasa nsemeri mwishimiwa aralia yebono totena kwa chori koba omwe MCA bwe ward ya Masige East aralia ya Robert Gujokora asensemeyo elikwimo kibirengo bya magendero asensemeri ya Masige East
mbia mono sana nche mna nabatei aman industrialist egenteka nengo chiko chakera na mangana industrialization mangana chi factory na ba example kama kiaga ntokorka mache water harvesting hii project na already it's gonna continue egenteka nengo chiko nyara okora na egentokorka food preservation abantu abange konyorore nga karo monta chire chinyeni ngotwara tore chiaba chinyinge ikiangazi gegoja chinyeni chiabora so we need to look over a better way of preserving the chinyini chiri to chiomi chinyini mate karo preserve go chiane keresko chioma ga chibeke chumbinke ga chibeka nyomba chiomete kwanya koli chinyanya you can do the same you blend them chibeke fridge me na bogo chitumia for the whole year and then naro renga banta bange batigete chiombe chike gusi I will really discourage to get to another level to chiko tukachombe chike songo for example my time ntuna artificial insemination was started in Kenya in 1939 lakini bado na batigete chiombe chike gusi bwana tutato chikokora for us to continue the breed yengombe ekegusi ekesongo we need to abanta mangi na bara atware contrary opinion nango chikotabanga we need to castrate the bulls chieli chikegusi kyerega sieli no kulema taliyo kwana ne embegu esengombe so that we discontinue embegu ye kienyeji
twenda sasa moyo kerero rikyo kerero
so tutwale what you call a fertility center monto mole myako ganda boye embegu ye kisasa nengombe na beke gusi egu embegu ye kisasa and then we do what we call sky farming neka rochi kutumia space twachine chinyinge there's a way we do farming hiyo twachikonya orendagera ego chikwa guchombe chigache chike songo chitokonya I was with the musani onega ligale abwate ekwerende supermarket here opposite filling station we had a long talk there about the chombe che grade 20 agantena tuchi kon chombe chiga singa saura ko ago chikonya mabere lucky enough muntu ndaga chemego kolia mabere ganyarochire kugora mabere I was so shocked nga mabere amboga ndakoru so which means here there is a consumer and there is a supplier bono they need someone who is in the middle ga oyorenje okobabeka amoiga tuliya mabere na kitukonya kora we have our own processing plant ya process ya mabere ne it's cost ya ne kesana that's my field that's my area and then tumakonya to package ya mabere tuliya machine kuruka sandiaka machine ile go package to kuruka sachets and then abantu betu banyora mabere at an affordable price kubo kurusia mabere Buganda so we need really to move on in this daily industry again tukende ya kabere kenenta ya tugo kwanda na mangana microfinancing ya boda boda have been talking na barabu bago complain sana nga mbali konyara bago so ekiombe kare bage chakire barabu abanyane muntu uri batemuteniri yobo wane ne chibesa so we need to legalize microfinancing nebyombe biga so that abantu tubwate boda bona Masige bali 3500 abantu 3500 na bange sana they can form their own circle
na abandi kanya komenta barkilito
abandi banye kanya komenta kilito so I've got a lot of things rach konya rakora no kele si manifesto ya
pona kero kwa tebire manifesto ya okuchuru kunchurulie bintebi kwa tebira mangana ma chiombe bintebi kwa nyorone n'abantu bawo ba Masige East mo ikaranzire kwa baheresire bintebi kwa babekire bikundi kwa baheresire ebintebi ya okuchiko bakorera na baro banchirane na job kwandira kene
nimbwate chi WhatsApp group na nimbwate group ngoro kanga unemployed youths nero na tumete project ili chingoko we normally talk ngo barangire twe karanstwa kwana and ntubwate pilot projects chigo chago chinyinge sana we are in touch na abantu ba Masige East yes
ebono abangi nambare batari ase amangana WhatsApp barabunga kiko baikero mweshimiwa
abangi nabalia
nabagaka
umongi nagago telinga ko ari kura atakupatia kura igorona tegetukomera nabangi na nkagari batayad another recording na tinya alikumira lakini abangi nabange I can say they are very honest kera kwa na mangana bakora na kona barabu chi project nkego they are really doing so well
Nkuma ituru korana n'abantu abange kero usenke kero to korana abashimiwe bakuriye kerogo abange bakuriye kero ine gasi akuriye ahini go kuriye gasi go sini go kuriye kero go gokonya abantu ba Masige East nande kwatebere nanko korore binte bingi ka yuko rusibese umweshimiwa kya mondra bakuboni ka umweshimiwa ka rusibese ne pasu ono kora to eresanga
nche my story is like na kortega Striga Chemicals miaka kianda as a production supervisor ngana korega as Kupa Tanzania miaka ebere ngana kore company Clover Botswana kama yago chaki company in 2010 I have employed over 50 people and chibesa konyorande senkonyora gento kaigo nimbate factory yane it's operational and I can say like I want to come and transform Masige East yaito because nabote kito cha transform buna bono ndagaiga the factory is running on its own chimanager nimbwate and I want to come and help our people.
Factory ingi godina krakyu mweshimiwa sense entheria
factory iga chike ebintu ngoro sine binge ngoro sinde sanitizer ngoro sinde dishwash pine gels sabun chiko speech carpets ngoro sinde vinegar mo gutumye se chips ngoro sinde spirit methylated spirit ngoro sinde surgical spirit and I supply all the supermarkets in Botswana. I'm listed in all the supermarkets in Botswana. I supply each and every supermarket. Products chana which pack in 12s, the chinenjiro dokon in 25 liters, the chinde 5 liters. So I'm listed in all supermarkets in Botswana.
Inki utabegeredi bona factory ya sensitu ya Kenya unyibegeta sense ya Botswana. Na ndinga kigoli sense ya Botswana na sense ya Kenya kerokoleta Masige East me. Sense ya magendero na ndingi bona utagendera ko Botswana kyangiro jeno menyete asama no kokore mirum.
Yeah, Botswana I can say Botswana is the least corrupt country in Africa. And Botswana in general, nabantu very honest. And in Botswana you can get any service that you want. You don't need to pay anybody to get a service. And my factory is running on its own. I want to come and help our people. I want to come and transform what I have that side knowledge imbuate. Nabinto binde nicheko koraki. Nicheko konya abantu nkagaiga. That's what I want to come and do.
Ingo bono utagete ko ire kerugo ma oja okore binde bi usibona bona rokanda ko biko
ore na chakire because the project na korenka ego chine na bachikoro kingalende nimbwate ability abongo chikonyara gokora because I've been using my money gokora few projects here and there lakini nabano ngo chikoyagu ekeruga kyobo MCA there are things I'll do unabono I'll want to cut down my salary chibese chigende se what chikonya abantu bande because one thing is ekeromo tata tebiri what is public participation erol yo MCA ninki erol MP ninki tumanye ngabono nkitogo chikokorera bana inchi because umwana inchi ngo chara kwanyora ate tomokonye go kwango mokonya ogechiwa in the sense that tingana ndakoromora igetanga shiringi chibe transport tangeti so we need to find out a problem yo yego chawekera go sabe transport ne liye nyale babwate small project na microfinancing ya kodrebuya they will be on their own bachiko kora montanya ale kuboka mambe anya alenga ninya ale kuboka for example na bono mto simegete ebimeli mogondo abantu bange bakuboka basimeke bituma mogondo ebituma they are not sustainable anymore we need to grow crops chire cash crops chiko kora returns bango mna cashew nuts avocado chigachi chacha chingeni so we need to come also engage mbarambara abange sana ba quality college bakolete course ya agriculture batabwati gas. So we need to engage them bakonya abantu balenka agaria and then to retrieve together and then we move on.
Ikendo girwate no gochikona jo musaro ina kina njenta igubiyana kina takumwanju mo igubiyana no mo Masige East igubiyana ukora jo musaro ngyo minute umushu
oma etena na aligeri na rore na ki me as job tali besa nka kwata chinyingi gose na tebe ngabono ni bati besa njengo ta ukora abananchi I'm doing what you call a voluntary job and if nyasawo nkonya olekero weke I've told you abantu abanga chitete chikoli moshara wo MC it will only survive on allowances allowances na bongo survive nacho ega account na beko mbega rusina magale mafuta nagenda na araba nanchi bane lakini moshara uli onengo chakogenda oba we bituo biri 21 kero mutienje basichi gose chagende se bituo biri beyonce I'm not going to earn a salary chibese chichigende ba rank ba kora usine bakobeka namo bayigoleke ombe bagenda kora chibese ndege tiko chikoli moshara wo I'll only survive on allowances
ikende ko kwanraiga asaba Masige East bayigo bagweti osini goge kwana korwa senkoro yao na ndinga kyabana aba Masige East bara amini una job na mana kwana tari chikoli moshara na ndo moshara oyo ni gobekire esali oyo ne chibasinde jibekire cyokora magenda ngakyo chiko paranzi igoro yo moshara yote atorikori na ndi kuranda ikwasa kyabanda bakora bakwegene aba Masige East.
What I can say is like Moshara Bobo MC I think is around 200,000 if I'm not wrong. I think they kwandra mange mono lakini that's the basic na wanda ito ikarabo because I don't want to go deeper so much about it but that is my will na bona na agenda na alikunya gwetega ngaso nyumbe ndo muchigete nkanyora actually barugire ba ikire chinyeni cya watana na mafutana ni chinyanya ngatongie ekebe igemesa I felt I was touched omongi nolinga kwana era gantebinga omwana nega agende chiro ogendo chigosie bituma itinganya rastamateyo igonyo no gosibarugerte nyumba ali basabete ogende word yotale you can see how our people are and you feel it. And that I grew up where my father was not so poor. We had to tatana ngirite skuru na nyorite taya magute nga somera lakini rende gaki I've grown up with that band in the neighborhood. I've seen how our people batagetogo konya kongana igo it's a sacrifice I'm doing.
Lakini bono abaraya bangira bakurukurumaga bara kwande bo auka aderna ndojo korega baho ikari bo beba ayenga kyabanta baregene na turi gukweba ekero kwanya horire kero geke kyara kero kwanya horire kero kono kwa bekiro ali kwa jakiro kwa na ali assembly na boko beba ngakibaro bara amini kabisa na Masige East ne jikuru asobotaka emyaka 5 ora bobisi
eiga engana ne irante tukubaliera abo Masige East andingo batabiganche una job mwana bwauka aukanyankiya ni ntagete tosiri obotaka korwese kenyoro yaito korwese award yaito na ande mnabono ngotebi example kege chibasari chikwana with a lot of biasness omuntu manyetenga omuntu no bwate problem konyore basari no muntu koruko mutureti o kano enyombe ne bwatu botaka ne bwate tebwati bono nche I'll use abatureti gochikwana na chibasari ono abatureti bali we are going to vet karama leta achire we do vetting no mutureti oli I'll include abatureti se committee ya chibasari because nche from na job tinko imo kama minte benga go se mosobeti ndata konya mwana getego se kyonyo go sarali omuntu manyeta mangana a problem ere nyomba ime no mutureti kera bakoroka nga oliganga omuntu tendete nyumba 10 chiro babwate ne chinke he understands ubutaka bole mu chiria na matinga ngota getogo konya yeah
bano whatever na chibesi basari njiro chibesi development ndiro chibara chibesi chao musara oyote na tuchikonyoria ngakyo jiko balance no okorre SM yote tekore ne chibesi jinde chiakorre sema kera ababande mbaba chibesi chao musara yoro ni gore constitutional right na ki mheshimiwa tigari musara ngakyo jiko balance kati chibesi ya serikali pekete nsemo cho kora magendero no musara yo okotana I want to chikori musara to jokonya ba Masige East
musara yo is like a donation ekiagara to bwatera currently bire 21 kwenye bire 17 eto takobaga chibesa chirikire polling station a polling station ina bara decide bacha bese chikato chibeke account kero mutienyu mwako yamo to chigo chisabera gose loan gose gento gete na boka bacha go decide ne polling station
numete go kwanne de abake kuraboka to kwanne de abana egromete kwanne de polling station
consist the family abuna
lakini voters inje na my the polling station
ni polling station voters ngonye pick buna a representation ye area gete
Ngutagira bune binyoro mweshimiwa bune ibano kwate bitaje kwa rosi
skande binyoro it will get more complicated because abana to ndokora clanism jine de kora that one that ko weke se polling station but nemne polling station mama tenga voters be polling station yanaba ayata tu minono agete kura mamuno ageta abana ba minono bali bakubaru because your parents represent the kids igonga kero muntu will be represented throughout the world. Yes
igona andiga bakwegeni na ego kwerekero egyo ibya siawo gwara batebiri alimba manyete gente go simbaro juko bate
na batebiri I've told them abande baro bakire positively abande baro bakire negatively in the sense that batebarende bono job chibeso utagete gocha ko tutaite gocha kuri mushahara ego ogoto tebinga you know they have got different way of handling it lakini nche as a person na tebanga I don't want nchena allowances kicho ngocha kwenda nyole chawa sichama gutega kugenda that's it lakini mushahara itaenda kwa kila
dinao de karo ntota ko rarigere nsema ya ensi ya Botswana ensi ya Kenya ngakio kombea ensi ya Kenya na magana ensi ya Kenya na Botswana kera kwa reference media Botswana ano oromunya biasara mon
Botswana I can say like there is no class in Botswana. Botswana wabune president ya Botswana kara utara chigali autumia ni sato autumia elite ka yae ne igali komurumega vice president chigali bera autumia a minister abange bakwegendi ose onyore driver na bwate mbali utwara na bodyguard. So what I can say is like abantu Botswana they are down to earth people and they don't have class. Mbuguli simiane kana bongwa kare minister mukwande bonega and karonte takomora I walked to his office to book appointment and there is no duba dingo konga chibaria like ngana bara ande obviously usine minister to corona Nairobi ga wekanga ndore under secretary colleague but that side is nothing like that. You walk in, you get your service and services they are at liberty yani you get a service and you also tagete una medication chinya gitari mbosa bago somigo abana bawo mbosa bago somigo na abana babwate mitinyi 3 weke myaka 5 kero mutienyi bako mafuta chilita ibere for free bago chingende chikiro isano for free no bos chikiro isano for free for pako ike myaka 5 kuro mitinyi 3 kero mwana the whole country. Yes
bono corruption kwata na tia sense
it's the least corrupt country in Africa.
Bono mheshimiwa job au kwa chodu ko bomwe mzie East Masige East lakini abantu mbare bako bamaega yahe bagara baturubani oboraibwaye gwa bakyusidi na tori muyani isari y'abantu bari obegete no obisi nkiyo yokorana no n'abantu abagocora asobisi ya umbago saririta umushimyo
omate nararigiriria abana ko banabuna to kora campaign barabo wati chimbu chingia abande mbaroro bagoteba amatuka yanga chinkondi lakini matine karo kuri yoborai you have to play it cool we kokore ngoba nibata bebali nibate team yane committee yane bwata abantu 14 ward na nibate team yende yane abantu batano nkoruka the ina team ko advice bona karo team abega bangira mawazo kurwe team group yenene namanya kwanda twage science gatwali which is one is right which one is wrong nabaro ku advice bali abantu na mwana nyarebe osenkali abayibali mbaro chekero mwana ngona wati chimbu chingi ona wati chimbu chimbe I think I suppose bacha banga abantu ngoja bakana bwegasi bara abantu bakorekene bantu bamwanjite nyasaye ndito nyara konya ntogendreyo
Lydia Nyanja makubuli gambole mheshimiwa Jobo oka ngakia ujokonya abana chintakana amo na bali batari kwenyara asensemo ya Masige East
asa bana chintakana like nate bagana na konya family 20 buna bono mwana nari nanyore tase akoro kumosobe ati mwana ye bari taiko nyara korora. I think he's going to be featuring in one of the TV stations. Abangina
not one ngoji turu kumo feature this TV na what not one ngoji turu kumo feature.
Yes abangina baiga babwata aba ekyombengero kyabangina baburaka. I've given them money chibesa na abaire ngwe konya Masige ise kyombengero mbiro ebingere kinye kama na ile chibesa na abaite 40,000 nimbate program ya bana babataka na nateba na kwa example na gotebyo mutuleti na understand tie kera akora vetting ya yo mwana oromo taka tego cha apply only on sichi basari to kore in other areas muna bona agachira ne chinyomba ne bakokote aba swati mbara babura kana agachira chinyomba actually ba tabugati I built chinyomba about 7 houses Masige ward ya
igobono gwate anan kwate kiombe kemo 40,000 ebyombe binde kyatari kiombe kemo kere biro benga kyo bibangere de biri kwe murungani
kiombe kene ngiro rokia matoke ba le ko simeka matoke na ile byombe chibe ebyombe I think ebyombe bire ebyombe na konyere they are 9 ebyombe kyanda yes
iko kianda kwa konyere byonsi ikona no bigete mirobelio ochikoba konya bonsi ndi gwate abona no bwate timu ya abantu 14 bako konya si campaign yao kandi kwa maonde ne bitu ebire 21 ebinde abantu 14 gambare kati yabu otabwa timu eshimiwa barombari ko
okay timu ya 14 people bale nchenkure ekwende kenyoro ikoro ku enyomba ite kuru Nyameuru committee ne yabo Nyameuru tubate committee nene y'abantu I think 32 bacho alitekera abantu babiro bare kuru keresa polling station mbaroro igonto kwate chi committee chi sub committee alafu pake committee ngatutabe in general tukwa chi committee sato yes
bontura kwanda mangana currency mkorore kanali makuri SMS chirege mangana currency mko chara chanda sana barai ase orokonguro gusi aya nzema ya Masige East enga kyuju okoro muchando yo currency otena abamba kwa kirite chikura abamba ngakirite kyuju okoro muchando yo ende body I went
issue inero no mbone ga the ground chinyomba nkuru tokuru kwa Nyameuru ntwanya kugamba ever since history
ngana kiwa sokerete
talina kina sokerete ntwanya kugamba since history na ande chinyombe chini chagambire but I don't want to talk about clanism noro chemna bono in Nyanza last elections totabegusi in general last elections they lost all the ODM tickets in 2017 esengencho abantu bacholetu kero kende bantu baba itabeti abantu baminto bali gochora muntu bali gochora kyama abagachora umuntu nabona arunye muri nande babemba nchora so mangana clanism esenda tebe in general una gusia ito does not play any role eso gochora umurai no
yombari role day
no yeah
bien mano kedusko gojibosio nara kobolia nara wero kuna Simeoni Nyarangi Nyarangi rabata tukola Nyarangi tukoliga akuboliga mbolio mweshimiwa inakia uchokore gasi no mochumbe bwense meyo erinde bakini amagandro yanse meyo anekatokorana kerabara ibachodu kiro montayo kore gasi yae kifiake
nchebuna nabatebi tata was a politician my father worked with Kananga Rosana and my father is was very close now, Honorable Stephen Manot. Actually, my father was like his personal driver. My father was in the military. Back na Manot for so long. And Yobesh Oyaro is a personal friend. Onuso Davidson is my brother-in-law. Igoro Chesa wete kongati. Onuso Mokoyone, Yobesh is my personal friend. Na Manot is a long-time friend of my dad. Wana banta batatu bonse roche we in the same bus
igobono ay manoti gwakera manoti medena kujara ko ligegero
tinate balita montongo chwa kare kura what I've said manoti nataba igarenge long time friend my dad
lakini
manoti we talk
nerengo ligegero
manoti we talk yobe she's a personal friend to akolenere a few projects tunabono liamba se skure karabale kwenye igora na chitenga ba 1018 tuli na yobe I gave them 18,000 skunere kurkuliambasi and to encourage project nere coordinated projects Igo is a friend onunso mokoyone onunso brother ya ganyo mete my sister inkobugati so igo bono ya arithmetic ye chikura cha bas nje ngo takwananza baba Masige East chikura cha Masige East aba batatu na bara bachiko saba chikura cha rali cha
Masige East ba mawuzane
kone cha basi constituency
bono job auka bachoro ko bomwe msie o Masige East osoira se ebunge ya Kisii County musuwadaki orojo mutangani oraikiali ase ebunge ya Kisii utagete okwaru monchori okonya na ba Kisii County ko se aba Masige East
musuwado no mutangani will be about licensing. I want to table a motion in parliament about licensing. Unakunya gweteiga abanyabiashara nkolera bale sana. They are taxed. Ebakora abantu be county ba monto sieko morango. Ngabolio mo munya biashara ya monga ki ngigusikira umurango ate nabayiga goika bachegaiga boikamba kane yani it's really there's a lot of bureaucracy whatever ase amangane county licensing. So what we need to do gukora application license online. Omuntu no banyamache guswa sokale okore license application ya koruga ari Masige onya apply na ande batware gintu ko checklist ya license. Egero gwate checklist no mutago so gaiga mwa gaiga acheck ya renga no bwate no agite nyombe rangi no bwate fire extinguisher no bwate chicho chinsafi no bwate exit door no bwate all these things this area. I want really to konya abantu baito on licensing. Na ande license yekere monta kwa yawa ena no yumwako mugima ekero yana ndo mwako mugima agende tari go reapply yokwenda kwa renew you only comply with requirements chire se checklist abantu baito gwate problems sana ya licensing egento na abantu babana ba boda na kwa numano boda yo mali daraja 2 ekartu alenge tugo taiga unale kwenda usinale kwenda agante binga ekarubate sticker ye pikipiki onyo rumonto kubuguri butuko agende county ngao usinoma bay eba gusaba nande chibesa wana abantu baito chigavana chiro on the surrounding counties they need to talk batore ntokoro kwa unified license yo monto gwe pikipiki so that ekara ko ko bumuntu nabara nyaro muruira uchikorra so one bin that will be my first emotion yani ntanga ngo chigotebo. Yes
ribolian rio moetha arjinza jajira kuna Robert Mokaya kuboliga umweshimiwa chi project ndo jaja tukuno umweshimiwa oyo chirikuriyo obochumbe asensemo ya Masige East no chugo chikora gosoko choja ka chi project jao na handinge koira chi project chikonyorwa gokorekana ase award.
Chi project chikonyorwa ase award negento kana kwanteri egetangane ko nga public participation. Public participation yakara mokorete nkonyorwa lenga no bwate what you call projected time chi project. The project ni bwate phase 1 phase 2 phase 3 phase 4 buna bwana karote usino mu China we paralime e pareli ne takere by certain time onyore ya ebintu birimbira oro is a contract ye project lakini okonyora abantu abange ebabisire nche I'll put the contracts on the open abantu mbate binga face ye because ekaro une contractor onyore kwanyore problem usine mbura ya atwa tunyali ko gendre project usende aro ego teneni mbura bera ache nyinge esikwali kwa gache pare sali what not ego attend the project for a while you have to write it on ese kwende linga kwende ya nengo chere ko extended because of these and these reasons. Yes
mwashimo sarjinza jitu cha chire mono boninga nina otebi mu Masige East lingana lya uri omwelyo ngyo ko moboli alafu tumagosuka kujibosio karto jinza jitu cha mweshimiwa ntwanyo rwake lagiona tiango libageli onya kote mu Masige East no mokisi county mogima no mogusio mogima saberete aneka tukulina ngwana trobo chole bone bu makoyo
nche una job auka engo basaba Masige East monge chikura chiobo MCA through na Kenya ticket change ko bakolra. I'll work with dedication, I'll be honest, I'll be transparent na ande ni tubwatrane wording matokoregas inibono asobora ibobo jumbe moche modi trading obokwa kera batenje etasombwata avance patene negati we are related abande na bairi abande na basani so naliko basaba chikura ni wakere mu wakera buno mu MP inchengo basaba chikura buna corona Kenya lakini chikura chira chobo gavana chira cho simba tokwa diamond
simba wakere gogo ga anti musimba
nerei
ngwana tori chikura ngakyo tebya basaya barabu baende baturuba nime sangeno gose bakore omorembe
abasa bono buna boda na kabari chi reflector na ndi barwanda bachitandura chitara igesi chale wika what I can say it ndo chikutware abachwali bo morembe ndo chikutwara abachwali na bono bwa nomination y'abantu bagachikurwa na chisegi ego mochoro mochikochoro murai urachiko bakonya muri chabara bane baro bari short tempered abane baro bakurwa na chisegi muri giri murai mochikochora
mbia mono amwanju muri twarenge na job auka uyo kurigerukia obo MCA ase wodi ya Masige East mbia mono asinge mwatu mebirangale bino mabona mangi matoma kuri nto juko nyahira niri kuchia sama tukaribosio ange kande na ndo mwishimwa na nege gatunya to kwana amange konde tianda kwere ka sensemeli ya magajo yebunge ekero turo chabara aho baikire a sensemeli ekero bandete kochiko origerelia omobere bwonya gosire mwa igibaki asoko mwa maskani yo mwelio turo jina barai aho baikire metonyore na abarai ababunge ngo ikabarari umurai bwense ngo ikara ororo abarai awo kono ena sense media judiciary go sebigambero na barabu nigo bago ikorore linde banyare bago bako muamaskani yo mwelio onyagosira Emilio Mwaikibaki oyu oba murai ugatato asense yaito yakinyurena Mwaikibaki niga bumurai go se politician obugambe myake menge karalenga mochumbe myake meronge tana sense ito ya Kenya kabumurai ugatana sense ito ya Kenya oigo abarai amba endete kumutogia ekeranya kago change uchumi yense yaito ya Kenya kumurai bwenze na chikura abarai abanga ubaikira samagajo yebunge erikwena kibuna nkora araba Kenya kurigeria umubere onyagosira Emilio Mwaikibaki na komwa maskani aye omwarinyana no mubiro ni gochiko basemagajo yebunga matukatato ekeraba Kenya bakwe uliba gakira lituko samatukaya tuko chakira chinse sato tiamambi wikajinsa 14 chamarwa barigeria umubiro yo elinde bamanya kwendaka nyona litukura Friday na lodi kare holiday kare serikali yatangasa buna lituke na lidi abekirwe ensemo ekero abakenya bakumunyora Mwaikibaki ekero akorete mirimo emiya asense yaito ya Kenya igunoro chibije jira se TV yao nense media parliament ekero toroje abarai bagendete guikase ensemo eyo eriko chikurigiria umubere onyagosira Emilio Mwaikibaki umurai ugatatu bwense yaito ya Kenya igunoro chibije jo abagani bandete gosoa ekero umurai bwense akagere gochigo ikorro kikoroka chinza inye chabona mambia karbago gosororo na First Lady Margaret Kenyatta eriko konya abarai eriko ra abarai kurigeria umubere umwai Kibaki umwanjumurira karete guikabuno to ikomwelio bumuroberio yekaro twabwate job auka uyu kurigerukia Masige East kurwase bungeri yaho base karo yakire kokonera tebiruna eregentate yabuna karmura amachore abantu ba East Masige East ne karmura amachore tari gukurimbo saroye endara ali ere maruburubu eri yoka tari gukurimbo saroye ni ganyo bangere nawo chigokora emeremo eri abangere okora umwanchu murigeria anene kurwase wodi ya Masige East bono libakaneri yawo norucha barayi bakuboli yabo job ogotebiri abande bagotebiri bono kwa musine yawo yokorana ki ni gogo choro umurai ujo cyane ke myaka 5 osini gogo chora umurai ugo konya emyaka 5 erebosyo one gogo deina digereria na chora abarai abaya barachi kutokonya uja samatuko arebosyo twarenga na sara nyarangi ontita asomoroberio yo igakurumambye no yolenga sense meli yo ye studio ende uri ogarana chibije jago cheire asenjira ya bene mario yago ikera asenjira ya bene John Kebati oyu wende kiuna binde byonse yago cheire asenjira erendongigo ningo usabiro twari tuko ligiya asime ya Ndizi TV nero bwansumuzi una botambe gendekia nekia niko kigotoka ya Ndizi TV nero bwansumuzi nakiko yana batebuna so agali asense meli ya kuza tumeli etakuza oji asense meli ose SMS ya kuza oji moisano isano nemo enogo eyemo enonya gotwakire kura ochore Ndizi TV nero station ya chire nkuma kabisa producer nayo ndete yango tebine note ekero gutuma kuza oji ase namba eyemo isano nemo enote eyemo enotwakire ekura yawo iho enda kuri limero bilito ekero to tebina twara obulgiri obya ime ya Ndizi TV nero bwansumusi kuna botambe eredariane Brighton Makoli